Welcome to my corny experiment, where I plant corn way too tightly. Corn is supposed to be planted about 8 to 12 inches apart, and then in between rows is like 2 to 4 feet. I planted my corn about 6 inches apart and 6 inches in between the rows. So far, so good. I mean, look at how, this is my hand. That's how close apart they are. I mean, it's tight in there. And plus I have a strawberry plant. But there are, believe it or not, 14 corn plants in this 2 by 4 by 18 raised bed. And she's beautiful. She's loving it so far. Obviously the yellowing is because from the extreme heat we have, and then all of a sudden it rained because that's Washington weather. I'm going to fertilize it with a plant tone fertilizer. They love nitrogen because of all the leafy, I mean, most plants love nitrogen, but corn especially loves nitrogen. And my theory is that if I fertilize it enough, because you're supposed to fertilize it 2 to 3 times in a season, but if I fertilize it maybe 4 to 5 to 6 times per season, then they won't be fighting for food, even though they have limited space. I think that's enough space for corn, but sideways not so much. Fertilizer that I like to use is plant tone. I love fertilizing when it rains, and it rains so spontaneously in Washington. This is my 4th time fertilizing the corn, about 2 times a month. It's taller than me now. I'm doing a similar experiment on this bed. As you can see, it's so crowded. I'll have to prune some stuff, but I have 2 Brussels sprouts in here, 2 cucumbers, a basil, a pepper plant, and a tomato. Not sure what kind of tomato this is. I got it in a heirloom pack. I'm hoping it's something cool, like one of those orange, weird shaped tomatoes. I have a random, I think this is petunia, and some marigold. I think so far it's loving its life because the cucumbers are cucumbering. I'm also doing an experiment where I bought a grocery store cucumber, and then I started this one from seed. This is the Market 76 cucumber. It's pretty famous. I got the seeds on Etsy. 3 watermelon plants in here. Why? I don't know. It'll probably be about another month until I get to harvest the tomatoes. I'm already harvesting cucumber. I already got like 2 out of it. Do another update at the end of July and somewhere in between if I start to harvest faster. But yeah, wish me luck.